This is the incline bench press. It'll work your upper chest and your shoulders. Begin by pulling the pin and adjusting the seat to the proper height for you. After you've selected the proper height, place the pin to securely hold the seat in place. Select the appropriate amount of weight for each side and secure it on by using the clips. Sit down in the seat and grab the bar about shoulder width apart. Lift up on the bar off the rack and slowly lower it towards your chest and lift it back up. After you're finished, re-rack the bar and put your weights away.